Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a quick help, hopefully help to some repair technicians out there. I don't know how many individual users, but anyhow, about Sony KDL-52NX800, which was brought to here by a customer with a very weird pattern on the screen that looks like display has gone bad because it was kind of like jumping. I'm sorry I did not take a picture. I saw there were similar pictures online about this model from people complaining and showing what they did. The specific thing about it, even though it was kind of jumping, which is very common issue to be seen when the little cuffs on the panel go bad, this particular one had vertical patterns that were very even. That looks like bad connections on the data channels on some of the processors or DDRs or something like that. And it wasn't quite clear whether it was the panel or something else. There was excess of mainboards available on eBay that kind of suggested that the problem was not there. There were no TCONs. There was one in Canada for something like $250 or something like that, by which I decided, you know, there could be a problem either here or somewhere here, then every other bit in the data or every 6 bit or something gets smashed up, and that's why the screen has gone bad. Long story short, what I ended up doing was getting a TCON board. In my case, I got it from Shop Jimmy for the smaller model, and you can tell the difference by the AZA suffix on the board that I bought versus the original 52-inch ZB. The rest is different. RUNTK4400TP. And here's the thing, several things. It wouldn't work out of the box. The news and the reason for this video is to let you know that it still does work. There is a bunch of things that you need to move from your original board if it develops that symptom. You can see those two programmable chips there that I have put an arrow on, and there is a bunch of stuff on the back. Another two programmable, you can see the arrows where they are, and there are two resistors here. You will compare your new board with your old board if you can find one for this model, of course. But that's it. It does work. What I wanted to show before the video ends is it does work. So you can save a TV. Best of luck, and hope you learned something.